everyone, and welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeStyleTime. The video you're watching today is me unboxing a Hermès Bastia from Anne's Fabulous Finds. This was a closeout item, so I got a really great deal on it. And Anne's Fabulous Finds is a consignment website similar to Fashion File. They have pre-loved leather goods and other items at great prices. They are also well known for their authenticity. So this Bastia caught my eye. I believe the leather was Evercolor, but I'll have to double check. It could also be Epsom. I'm not very good with leathers, but they did a great job in packing it and in sending a handwritten note. What you'll see on the screen is it is a blue color, and it's kind of a chameleon color. No matter where you look, it looks different depending on the screen or the light. It's a great addition to add coins to, which is what I plan to do. And even though it's been used, there is nothing wrong with having something, to pass the story on to. So that's it for today. I'll have more coming soon. I hope you liked today's video.